Back in Delhi, I fixed up a meeting with the Swarovski team. I took the dashboard patterns and showed them the design I wanted. I love my creations to be high on bling, so I use a lot of crystals on my clothes, shoes, and even the makeup in my shows. So this is the design. As you can see, it's been flattened, everything. So the idea was that I took motifs from the usual trucks and everything that you see, but make it into crystallized form.
Wow.
So it looks shiny and it looks rich, but the motifs remain Indian. And it's funny because you're used to seeing nice, posh things with crystal, of course, because that's what it is. But I like to see these kind of things. This is the pattern. I mean, you don't really have to go through it right now. This is for the technical people. Now, what's the next step?
Okay, for us, I think the next step would be very clearly to work on our system and develop all these motifs. So we'll have to just firstly do all the imagery and then convert it. So it will be a complete transfer that should be made and applied then.
Can I see some samples if you have? Like, so that see what it's going to look like eventually. Of course, not the same one, but similar to this.
Look at this, for example.
Yes.
Again, very, very precise.
That is very nice.
So this is all that's really absolutely doable. So I think this will look absolutely outstanding.
I like the idea of putting different sizes.
Yeah.
It just gives more depth and more
And
variety.
it's more 3D.
You know? Yes,
Yeah.
yes. So I would like it if in your own way you can incorporate some different shapes and sizes when you have the freedom to do that. And it'll just look more interesting.
I think this is the future for us, what we see here, you know. We've done clothes, we've done shoes, we've done jewelry, accessories. This for us definitely could be the future.
I left feeling really excited thinking about the final outcome of the dashboard. Back in the office, I couldn't wait to open the parcels which had arrived from Pondicherry. Now, let's see. What? The first thing I see is this. You know, actually, the color that we wanted was similar, but this is way duller than that one. And this one is not at all the shade I can make out already before opening it. I very well remember that there were two pieces of leather in his office which was striking. I got attracted to them and I pulled them out because they were very bright. The leather has come out wrong and the bags are coming 2 weeks later. I don't know how I'm going to do this. I went all the way to Pondicherry especially to get the right stuff and the best quality. What I see here right now is something that I cannot use. So I guess I'll have to pack this up and do my own thing, find things in Delhi and start all over again. But this is not going to stop me. I'm still going to the car and it'll still look the best. Join me next week as my design dream comes to life and the grand old lady transforms into an enchanting diva, grabbing eyeballs wherever she goes.